Imagine a place where the sun kisses the vast desert, where the mountains meet the sky, and where vibrant markets bustle with life. Welcome, dear viewers, to the land of enchanting landscapes, Morocco. This North African gem is a melting pot of cultures where Arab, Berber, and French influences intertwine to create a rich tapestry of traditions. It's a land where you can hear the call to prayer echo off ancient city walls and smell the tantalizing aroma of tagine wafting through the air. The varied landscapes of Morocco are as diverse as its people and their languages, from the rugged Atlas Mountains and the seemingly endless Sahara Desert, to the charming coastal towns and bustling cities like Marrakech and Fez. Each corner of Morocco tells a different story. So sit back, relax, and prepare yourself for a virtual journey through Morocco's most breathtaking sceneries. High above the clouds, the Atlas Mountains stand as a testament to Morocco's majestic beauty. This mountain range, spanning 3 countries, is a vital part of Morocco's landscape, culture, and history. The Atlas Mountains, stretching their peaks across the horizon, are like a spine holding the country together, and they offer a stark contrast to the country's sun-soaked beaches and expansive deserts. These mountains are not just a stunning backdrop. They're home to snow-capped peaks that reach for the sky and are a sight to behold, especially when the first rays of the morning sun paint them golden. The highest of these peaks is Mount Toubkal, standing tall at an impressive 4,167 meters. It's a paradise for climbers, a challenge that rewards those who conquer it with unparalleled views of the surrounding landscape. Nestled within these mountains, you'll find Berber villages. The Berbers, or Amazi as they prefer to be called, are the indigenous people of North Africa. Their villages, made of earth and straw, blend into the mountainside, almost as if they've grown from the rocks themselves. These villages are a testament to a way of life that has endured for centuries, a life that is in harmony with the environment. The Atlas Mountains are also home to serene hiking trails that wind their way through valleys and over hills, offering breathtaking views at every turn. These trails are a haven for hikers and nature lovers alike, offering a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and connect with nature. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual trekker, the Atlas Mountains have a trail that will suit your pace and your spirit of adventure. The Atlas Mountains, a perfect blend of tranquility and adventure. They invite you to explore their peaks, to wander their trails, to visit their villages, and to immerse yourself in their beauty and their history. They beckon you to step off the beaten path and to discover a side of Morocco that is as awe-inspiring as it is captivating. So are you ready to answer the call of the mountains? From the lofty mountains we descend to the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert. This isn't just a desert, it's the Sahara, the largest hot desert in the world, a sea of golden dunes that shimmer under the relentless sun. Imagine being on a camel trek, swaying in rhythm with these gentle creatures as they navigate the shifting sands. Each step takes you deeper into a mesmerizing world of endless golden landscapes, where the only sounds are the soft whispers of the wind and the crunch of sand underfoot. The Sahara is not merely a place, it's an experience, a journey into a world that seems untouched by time. The golden dunes of the Sahara are like waves in an ocean, rising and falling in a mesmerizing dance choreographed by the wind. These dunes are not static, they are alive, shifting and changing with the seasons, creating new landscapes for the adventurous to explore. They are nature's sandcastles, sculpted not by human hands but by the invisible brush of the wind. And then there are the sunsets. Oh, the sunsets. They are magical moments when the sky transforms into a canvas of colors, from fiery red to deep purple, reflecting on the golden sands and creating a spectacle that is truly out of this world. It's a sight that leaves you breathless, a moment that makes you realize how beautiful and diverse our planet truly is. The Sahara is more than just a desert. It's a testament to the enduring spirit of nature, a place that challenges the elements and thrives. It's a world where survival is an art, practiced by the hardy nomadic tribes who have made this harsh landscape their home. They are the true masters of the desert, living in harmony with the land and showing us that even in the most challenging conditions, life finds a way. The Sahara Desert, a place where the sands tell timeless tales. Leaving the desert behind, let's journey to the coastal city of Essaouira. Nestled on Morocco's Atlantic coast, Essaouira is a gem that exudes an alluring coastal charm. Imagine a city where the golden sand stretches as far as the eye can see, where azure waves playfully kiss the shoreline, and the air is filled with the calming symphony of the sea. That's Essaouira for you. A city where every moment spent is a postcard-worthy memory. But the charm of Essaouira is not just confined to its beautiful beaches. Walk a little further, and you'll find yourself in the heart of the city. The Medina. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Medina of Essaouira is a labyrinth of alleys lined with whitewashed houses, their blue shutters reflecting the hues of the sea. As you tread the cobblestone streets, you'll be greeted by the eclectic mix of sounds that are quintessentially Essaouira. The laughter of children playing, the rhythmic beats from a distant drum circle, the chime of silverware from the numerous souks, and the mellow notes of Nawa music, native to this city. And then, there's the food. Essaouira is a paradise for seafood lovers. Fresh catches from the Atlantic grace the plates of the city's many street-side stalls and fine dining restaurants alike. Picture yourself in a quaint eatery, savoring the mouth-watering flavor of grilled sardines, or a sumptuous seafood tagine, the aroma wafting through the air, reminding you of the sea just a stone's throw away. The city also boasts a vibrant art scene, with its many galleries showcasing works from local and international artists. These artistic expressions further amplify the city's allure, making it a haven for those seeking a blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Essaouira, a coastal paradise that captures the heart. It's a place where the rhythm of the sea sets the pace of life, where every corner turned unravels a new tale, and where the blend of the old and the new creates a tapestry of experiences that linger in your memory long after you've left its shores. Our final stop is the vibrant city of Marrakech, a city that never sleeps. Marrakech, nicknamed the Red City, is a place where tradition meets contemporary, where the hustle and bustle of the city life seamlessly intertwines with the tranquility of its hidden corners. Imagine stepping into the heart of Marrakech, Jemaa El Fna, one of the world's busiest squares. By day, it's a bustling market filled with local vendors peddling their wares, from vibrant textiles to aromatic spices. When night falls, the square transforms into a vibrant stage for street performers, musicians, and storytellers, all under a starlit Moroccan sky. From the lively markets, we venture into a world of grandeur and history. Marrakech is home to several historic palaces, each telling a story of its own. Bahia Palace, with its beautiful gardens and intricate carvings, is a testament to the city's rich architectural heritage. The grandeur of El Badi Palace, though in ruins, still echoes the opulence of yesteryears. But Marrakech is not just about markets and palaces. The city is also a lush oasis with beautiful gardens like the Majorelle Garden. This 2.5-acre botanical garden, with its exotic plants and vibrant blue buildings, is a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Let's not forget the rich cultural heritage of Marrakech. The city is a melting pot of different cultures, traditions, and cuisines. From the traditional Moroccan mint tea to the unique blend of Berber, Arab, French, and Andalusian influences in its architecture, Marrakech is truly a cultural treasure trove. So there you have it. Marrakech, a city that offers an intriguing mix of tradition and modernity, of chaos and calm, of history and contemporaneity. A city where every corner has a story to tell, every alley a secret to reveal. A city that once visited leaves an indelible mark on your soul. Marrakech, a city that embodies the spirit of Morocco. Our journey through Morocco's most scenic landscapes comes to an end. We've journeyed together through the majestic Atlas Mountains, where the snow-tipped peaks reach for the sky. We've traversed the endless Sahara Desert, a sea of golden sand dunes that stretch to the horizon. We've felt the coastal charm of Essaouira, where the Atlantic waves crash against centuries-old ramparts. We've immersed ourselves in the bustling city of Marrakech, a vibrant tapestry of sounds, colors, and cultures. These are but a fraction of the wonders that Morocco has to offer. We encourage you to experience this beauty firsthand, to feel the warm desert sand beneath your feet, to breathe in the crisp mountain air, to listen to the ocean's lullaby in Essaouira, and to lose yourself in Marrakech's labyrinthine souks. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Morocco. What part of the world would you like us to explore next? Leave your suggestions in the comments below. And remember, liking and subscribing helps our channel grow. Until our next journey, stay curious and keep exploring.